President Barack Obama reversed today the ban on federal funding for stem cell research. Now, that lifted a long-standing Bush administration ban which limited federal funding to a handful of stem cell lines that existed in 2001. Some conservative and religious groups say it is an unnecessary waste of human life, but supporters say it has the potential to save lives and make millions of lives better. Brian Moore looks at the story.
President Obama reversed the Bush administration's 8-year ban on federally funded embryonic stem cell research. He also sounded off on the political firestorm.
Our government has forced what I believe is a false choice between sound science and moral values.
He promised strict ethics rules, but also a firewall separating science from ideology.
It's about scientists like those who are here today do their jobs, free from manipulation or coercion.
He drew the line at human cloning, calling it wrong and dangerous. But that's little comfort to right-to-life advocates.
Human embryo destroying stem cell research is not only unethical, unworkable, and unreliable, it is now demonstrably unnecessary.
The adult stem cells are already treating thousands of patients for dozens of different diseases, and this is documented by published science.
The presidential order provides hope to millions facing myriad life-threatening conditions, from cancer to Parkinson's to paralysis. That hope comes too late for Henry Strong and Goldberg, who died 7 years ago from a rare bone marrow disease, but not for Henry's parents.
Because we understand the pain of losing a child, and today we feel like there's hope for all these other families so that they don't have to experience that incredible loss that Alan and I experienced in Henry's death.
But don't expect this work to begin overnight. The federal government won't even have guidelines for another 120 days. In Washington, I'm Brian Moore, NBC 30 News.
And tonight, reaction has been pouring in over President Obama's reversal in the federal stem cell policy. Connecticut has led the nation in adult stem cell research, and Congressman Chris Murphy said in a statement today, in part, the president's action puts us back on track to conduct ethical and medically justifiable stem cell research. Families and physicians who deal with baffling diseases like Parkinson's, cancer, and diabetes deserve the opportunity to ethically pursue treatments and cures without unwarranted police interference.